Hello guys, and today I want you to join some servers I create. So I really want you to download Barrelhard, and this is a very nice game. Also, I can't log in to the front server, which is very annoying. I've been trying that for like hours, and I haven't played Barrelhard for months. And it still doesn't work. And I'm very angry. Even my wolf or fox, whatever it is angry. So E is to fly. E is to stop flying. R is to rise, to go up. And F is to fall. Yeah. So this might not be that easy for you. Either. And I'm looking up. Why are you looking up? At the sun. At that cloud. This cloud. Yeah. Cool. Now she's looking up at the sun. Yeah, don't look up at the sun or hurt your eyes. Nope. Yeah, cool. Oh, you're gonna break it. Triggered. A trigger. She's triggered.